the Wycliffites and the Lollards. Lollards were persecuted in the Lollard Tower. They were burned. Lollard were this is John Wycliffe's church. Iyang siya nag-minister, no? So gipatay sa gisunog is dito. They were persecuted. But however, they were able to continue to preach in secret places siya, finding shelter as best they could in the humble homes of the poor and often hiding away even in dens and caves. And in their lives, the nobles and the poor gathered together in unity. Ang ilang converts are not only poor, but even the nobles and even the queen, the wife of their king, nga nag-persecute sila, secretly converted. No? So, that is the work of John Wycliffe when they had the Reformation, and half, I think almost half, or more than half, little bit, about half of the people of England were converted to his